Testing. Okay, the mic is now working. Miles said they would be on hacking. I'm gonna message them. Hopefully they come and join. In my TikTok they said, in my Discord, Miles of Iron said they're also working on some AI stuff, trying different services and models. I'll work with the agent GPT tomorrow, which I think is right now. We'll see if Miles shows up. Your English teacher, I'm a newbie, which language do I learn? I like JavaScript. It doesn't matter too much. Python is also really good. I'd probably say Python or JavaScript to start with. Let me open up VS Code. Your English teacher says, I want a quick employment language. Full stack will take ages. What do you mean by employment language? I want a quick to employment. Oh, like so you can use it fast? Well, it depends what you want to make as well. Maybe you shouldn't even bother with a language. Maybe you can use some other tools. Because I was saying before that I think the future of coding would be just without having to know how to code, and you can just explain logic with English. All right. My agent GPT. Something I can learn and get a job quick. Ah, I see what you mean by employment. Quick to employment. I don't know. I'd look at... I don't really have a good answer for that, because I think the job market is changing. It also depends what country you're in and what you're looking for, or if you're looking for remote work. But if you just want to pick a language, just pick JavaScript or Python. Maybe JavaScript has more jobs. That might be true. But that might change. I'm not sure. Is web dev saturated? I'm looking for remote work. It's definitely more popular, but I think it's more popular on both sides of the market, both in supply and demand. So it's not like saturated too much in supply and not in demand, in my opinion. Alright, so I haven't touched this in a couple of days since we worked on it last. Chaos, how's the demand for AI in Australia? I don't think it's much yet. It's catching up for sure. It's growing, but it's still a lot less than, say, web dev. No worries, English teacher. Hey Ash, thanks for saying hi. Elliot, welcome. Welcome to the stream, everyone. I'm continuing development on my AJI. It's been a while since we've ran it. We got a bit scared. It has some problems with installing Node, and I found the solution to, well, I'd say the root problem is recognizing the path. Yusuf Hisham, welcome. I think I found the solution to that. Let me try to find it. Oh, no. I'll Google it. It was something like unrecognized command node child process windows. This one? No. Nope. Damn it, where did I see it? Alright, let's just run this and see what the error was, because I can't remember how to Google it. Okay, so I ran write.js file that prints hello world, and it does the right steps. It's just it doesn't have no, see, node hello world error here. Command failed, node is not recognizable. Is not recognized. And it does try to install node later, but I think I can give it access to node with like it's an issue with child process. Exec. Yeah, this is it. Khalid, welcome back. When are you gonna push updates to GitHub? I think I pushed the latest updates, did I not? Oh no, let me check. Oh, did I not? Okay, hold on, let me check. Console log. Oh, max loops. Okay, so you definitely want that. Oh, and the feedback is out. You're right. Sorry, Khalid. I thought I did push the latest to GitHub. Let me just check all my latest changes and I'll push it right now. I have to change the node version. That's the most annoying thing. HXC Thomas says, what are you building? I'm building this AI that can run code and debug code. Okay, I think I need that as well. Stage all of that. And this. Okay, as I think I couldn't push it last time. Yep, so now I'll just have to change my node version and then push it, which is a bit annoying, but oh wait, that opened as well. But it's okay. Which version did work? It was 14.17 maybe. Yeah, that looks like it worked. There you go, Khalid. I will be pushing it in the next 10 seconds. So this is all open source, guys, at the moment. If you want to see it, it's just on my GitHub at aj47/AJI. There's no instructions there, so you'll have to figure that out yourself or by looking at my old videos, because I've developed it all on stream. But yeah, we'll be continuing here. Wait, did I push? I think I didn't push. Oh, did I change server? Oh, whoops, that's another thing that I had to push. Commit and push. HC Thomas says, a bot that makes a bot to fix a bot. We truly live in a simulation. It's so true. A bot that makes a bot to fix a bot. It's hilarious. Alright, that's all pushed, Khalid. Enjoy. Are you working on this code base, Khalid? Very curious to see if you've made any progress, or you're just using it for fun. Alright, we'll run this again. And what was the solution to my issue? When using exec, the first argument is the command to run with space separate, so it thinks it's able to execute. Oh no, this isn't what I want. Was it this? Nope. Here, maybe this one. Process exec path. That path contains the full path to node. But Khalid says they're trying to have a GUI that can run code and either local tasks like Auto GPT. Sweet. that like that. I'll keep that here. Yo, first YouTube comment by Lost Keys. Hello Lost Keys. Welcome. And Lave liked and said sup on TikTok. Thanks guys. Welcome. I'm trying to fix the path variables for my child process in Node. Everyone's saying this process exec path is the way to go. Oh shit. Put this in a group. Node debug. Okay. Process exec path. Process exec path. Alright. I think I'm gonna just try put this at the start. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Yep. Put this at the start of my command with a space. I don't know if... So where do I run the command? Exec rec.body command. Okay. Process.exec path. And then you need a space in the middle. Let's see if it can run Node now with that, or it fails even more. Write a JS file that prints hello world. Nah, so now it always has C program at the start of everything. Damn. I wonder how I should fix this. Lost Keys asks, which code are you building? I'm building code for an AI to be able to build code themselves. Maybe you can help? Yeah, this is it. So I'm trying to run this exec function from child processes from npm. Child process, sorry, which I want it to execute a command. The issue is when I don't have exec path, it doesn't know the path to node. Oh, Vadin Wolf followed and gave me fairy bread. Awesome, that's sick. I've never got fairy bread before. Thank you so much, Vadin. Appreciate you. Okay, let me Google. Panic Attack says, what did I miss? Not a lot. I'm debugging where I pretty much left off last stream. So we're getting all the commands successfully from ChatGPT and Agent GPT. There is an issue though where it can't install like Node.js. So let me revert this back to how it was, and I'll show you what ends up happening. So I've got this AJI here, and I want it to write a file that prints hello world. Let me refresh this. It does the correct command initially, putting console log in index.js. That's fine. Oh, now it's doing type index.js. I don't know what type is, but normally I'd run it with node. It's writing to the file again. Now it's trying type.js. And it completes when it reaches 0. That's another issue. It completes a bit early. I'm gonna try to run it again. See, now it's actually done node. And this is the original issue. Node is not recognized as a command. Interesting how it tries to... It's trying a bunch of different things. It works. Does AJI work on the web, or you need to set it up manually? Yeah, currently you actually do need to run it locally. But if you don't want to run code, you can run Agent GPT, which is what this is based off, just from the web. Damn, okay. What's the type command? Yo, Yash Sweat. What's happening? Yash Sweat on YouTube. Shouts out the GOAT. Type command. Windows. What does that do? Type is a built-in command which displays the contents of a file. Oh, cool. So it was doing that to check maybe. But it didn't work. I wonder if that works if I try it. Let's go type hello.js. Nope. Is there anything hello? Does less work? Vim? Nope. Is hello.js empty? It is. Okay. What about alphabet.js? Okay, alphabet.js isn't empty. Type alphabet.js. That actually has the stuff. Okay. So type just shows the file contents. So, okay, what do we do now? This is making me have some doubts about its capability. It seems a bit... Can I close it? Seems a bit dumb at the moment. Okay. Okay. How should we tackle this? I want another example I can try it on. What's some other software? What about Puppeteer? A node file that uses Puppeteer to what? To scrape TikTok for new videos. Let's see what it does. That's like way more complex than anything I've tried before, but I don't know how big of a file it can write. Yo, Kurugami, hello. Ooh, here we go. I'm sorry, but as an AI language model, I can't do that. Sad. Maybe we can use another model. Oh no, it does say, gives you the code in the end. It's pretty annoying. Let me just try that same thing again from the start, see if it always says no. Yeah, again. Okay. What else could we do? Let's see if we can make a server. Right. Create a Node Express server on port. Create and run a Node Express server on port 69,000. Panic Attack says, what are the requirements to run AJI RAM and storage wise? Pretty much like very little, because it's all using APIs for all the heavy lifting. So I think it would run on most computers built in the last 10 years. Oh wow, it's not even doing it this time. As an AI language model, I don't have the capability to wait for a response from the terminal. However, the batch command is... It was working yesterday a lot better. Proof of work asks, what is the topic? The Topic: I'm creating this AI to be able to create code, create and run software. And we have a long way to go by the looks of it. Khalid says maybe Node is running in his proper environment with different environment variables. Yeah, it seems there is different environment variables and like a different path in. Damn, this is so annoying. The issue is now with the prompt, not the code, because we're getting sorry. I can't do that. What was my prompt? Start goal. You are an autonomous. I'm just gonna have to debug this prompt in ChatGPT. Yo, thanks for the rose, Vixolent. So this is the prompt. You're an autonomous software engineering AI with the following objective. Goal: provide a batch command to be inputted into a Windows terminal such that you are closer or complete your goal. Provide only one. If I put this in capital. Maybe I should remove and wait for response. Alright, let's see what it says. Doesn't provide only one batch command. I swear, like when I did write a JS file that prints hello world, it was pretty consistent at returning only one command. Not this time. It's so weird. What's the difference? I don't get it. Like, maybe the API behaves differently to ChatGPT. Because look, I swear if I just copied this in my one, it actually gives one command. See? Echo, it just gives the command perfectly, nice and nicely. I don't know if that's a LangChain thing or the API is like that. Can we test the API on the playground? Let's have a look. Playground. Complete. I put that in here. Does it work? Oh shit, okay. So this DaVinci thing with these parameters works quite well. What about with this command? What was the first command? This one. Server setup. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna simulate what would happen with just manually, just so I know. Panic Attack asks, when are you live? At the moment, it's like from this time of day, plus or minus 2 hours, to or like 8 hours before this time of day. I don't know. It's actually, I don't have a schedule, but it's normally either in the morning or nighttime in Australia, or, but I don't know. I just like whenever I feel like it, I kind of go live at the moment. Okay, so if I copy this and just trying to see how it would work. You have just run npm install express, which resulted in blank. Now what would it say? Node server JS port. Now hopefully it'll say, like if I ran node on something that didn't exist, that's what it would say. I'm thinking I might. Okay. It never actually wrote the server file. It's just trying to run something without writing to it. Damn. Pooza asked, do you freelance? Is this coding a hobby or you work somewhere full time? I used to work full time. I recently have left to try do my own thing. Yeah, I haven't really done freelancing in a while either. Kind of just taking a break, trying to like create some AI software at the moment. Threads of Fate, welcome. Okay. Okay, that's no good. That this didn't work. Would it be different if I didn't have this stder? Probably not. Node server JS. Oh wait, hold on. If I what about now? Oh, okay. Made the file. Maybe. Does this make file? Yeah, okay, that does make file. I'm just gonna keep like manually doing this to see if like it can actually do it. Okay. After it makes a file, can it? And npm init. Okay. The thing about npm init is it's interactive. So you can't just keep giving it commands. I don't know how this will work. I feel like we need to pivot. How can we pivot here? What are the issues? The issues are npm is interactive. So we can't ever do npm init. I don't think. Let me try it actually. If I add that as a goal, Will it be able to successfully npm init? Run npm init in a new folder named test npm. Make dir test npm, and yep, big error. Is it the node error? npm is known not to run on node 18. You need to upgrade to a newer node. Then it's doing md test npm. Okay, it's running a lot of stuff. It's running a lot of stuff. Oh sweet, if I open it like this I can see all the lists of tasks that it ran. nvm use. Did the nvm install work? No. Why not? nvm isn't recognized. I think I need to fix that. But it's cool how it ran commands, so many commands in a row without having to like tell me that it can't do it, which it did before. And that was like red flags. What do I want to try Google and fix this issue that I get with everything. The this one. Process child. Process child exec. Something like that. Workaround, you need to quote script file name and add shell true to options. Let's try the shell true thing. Here. Optional params, yep, shell true. Let's see if that changes anything. And I've learned you can actually save this as a PDF file. Oh no, it's a PNG file, but pretty cool. I'm gonna save this every time. And I'll just restart this for good measure. Run the same test, but this time it might be able to actually get some. Oh. Volume in drive C has no label. Echo is not recognized. This didn't happen before. So nothing is recognized in shell. What the hell is shell equals true? Maybe I should look at, hold on, let's look at this. Let's look at what's it called? Bloody child process docs. exec. John Power asks, has it broke your PC yet? Not yet. It's not very good at doing anything at the moment. It can't really run anything, so it's very not powerful. I need to find something about path, module path, env.path, otherwise process env.path is used. If options env is set without path. I wonder what this is. I'm just gonna console log this at the start, just to make sure that my process path is at least somewhat correct. Whoa, it's big, but it looks correct. Miniconda is node there. Yep, okay. Okay. Where was I? Oh yes, the docs. Please help me, docs. For new Node.js instances using the exec path of the parent process. The exec path property in the options. Not sure. I feel like I saw the answer on the Stack Overflow, but I can't find it. I might ask ChatGPT. When running child process.exec node hello world.js, I get, do we still have that error? Unrecog. Where is it? No. I get node is not recognized as in what should I do? Oh, I have asked this before. Verify node installation. Add node to the path, no. I think this is how I actually searched it the first time. Come on, be one of these. The first argument is command to run with space separated arguments. So it thinks the executable is, since there's a space. Oh. No, this is bad. I also always come across this one. Okay, we're gonna go through it one by one. Seem to already know by typing node. Node process on Windows is node, not Node.js. Change your start command. What? This doesn't even use child process. Oh my god. What? Spawning bat and CMD files. Not exactly what I want. Command to run environment key variable returns. npm update G. Really? I'm gonna try that, but oh, dude, it could be because I'm not using the right. No, I doubt it. I was gonna say because I'm not using the right npm version, but does yarn update G work? Nope. I'm just gonna try to see if that made any difference with this npm version. I don't think it will. No, it doesn't even have type. Ren type? I don't even know. Alright, let's stop this. I think I'm gonna leave this for a while. I might have to do some searching offline to just fix that issue. I don't want to spend too long on it on stream. Let's do something fun on stream. I saw a Twitter thread I bookmarked. Let me try to find it. This thread right here by Yohei. It's been 18 days since the paper on baby AGI. The most exciting things to me is what people have started building since then. And then they show all the stuff that people have been building, which I'll go through in a second. Just gonna check this thing on my phone real quick. Give me 2 seconds, guys. All right, let's check these out. Congoys, the web-based agent. For the past few days, this man Sully has building Cognosis. Sorry, what did I say? Congoys? Cognosis. It's a web-based version of Auto GPT / baby AGI, and it's 100% free. 100% free. Okay, let's go. Cognosis.ai. Cognosis.ai. AI powered agents at your fingertips. Very nice landing page. Try Cognosis. Let's go. Savi says SWE GPT. Yeah, that's what I should call it. Create an account with Google. Edward, thanks for the like. Oscar Gomez, welcome. High usage. Currently, we're seeing high usage. To proceed, enter your API key on the top left. Okay, I'm going to quickly put my API key in this. Give me 1 sec. Okay, I put that in. Let's do a new bot. What should we call this, guys? What did we do last time? What's some good ideas? Research GPT. Let's see if there's any competitors to what I'm doing. Find AI products that can build software or websites. No, let's go. Let's just say software. You can do automatic tasks or create tasks. Let's do automatic tasks and start it. Oh, create tasks would have been cool. I don't know how that would work. Let's try that next time. Okay, boom, add a task. Research and compile a list of AI-powered software development platforms. Analyze the capabilities and limitations and evaluate the cost. Very cool. Very similar to all the other tools we've tried. TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, IBM, Watson. Okay, these aren't... They're for building AI. Not AI for building software. It's actually kind of the opposite of what I asked for. Okay, let's stop that and let's do one where I add the tasks myself. I want to do another crypto one, so I'm gonna like specifically give it a page. Is there a way to see like the newest coins on CoinMarketCap? Is that a thing? Okay, what about the news? Let's say, okay, crypto research GPT. Browse articles listed on the news page of CoinMarketCap and find promising and find upcoming coins that haven't gone live on exchanges yet. Let's see. Richard Cheddar, thanks for the follow. Ryan Rolstad, welcome. Start. Let's see if this works. It's thinking. Whoa, it wrote a script? Beautiful soup. Here's the code to perform the tasks. A lot of these do the same thing, so I'll give you a beautiful soup code, but they won't actually run the code, obviously. And then it moves on to step 2. Okay. So it seems to like have the same limitations as the other ones. This UI is pretty nice though. Let's see what else we can do. Or should I let this run for a couple more minutes? I feel like it's not going to get anywhere because it never got the list from task 1. It just gave more code to do stuff. That's why we need the AI that can run code. That's why. Let me think. Maybe I can. Maybe Maybe I can change the way my bot runs to, instead of just running batch commands, be able to take large amounts of code and run that instead. That might be the way we have to do it. Let's see if it scrapes CoinGecko, or is it gonna just give me a script to scrape it and not scrape it? Yeah. Okay, that's enough of that. What's next on this list? God mode. I already have tried God mode. Limitless API. Oh wait, sorry. Limitless API. Baby AGI plus LLM as a backend equals limitless API. One single endpoint that triggers an agent. Define the service you want the agent to act as, plus the data to act upon. That's it. Think that makes sense? You can make an API out of data? Is that what it is? John Power says Auto GPT 0.2.1 has selenium built into it. Holy crap, that's so cool. So it opens a browser and reads the websites for you. That is so cool. We have to try that next. I'm definitely trying that next after these. Where was I? Okay. Should I try this limitless one? That one looks like it might be a bit hard to set up. Is it even live? To make this clear, nothing in the API is doing chat. The agent is figuring this out from request and dynamically decides how to act. And here it is. The limitless API. Okay. I mean, that's a pretty cool idea if it's what I think it is. I'm not sure if I fully understood it with that little reading I did. Baby AGI as a service. Integrate Baby AGI with your own applications thanks to LangChain. With one simple command. LangChain serve deploy Baby AGI. You can serve stuff with LangChain? LangChain serve? Let me look up LangChain serve. What is LangChain serve? LangChain serve. LangChain apps on production with Gina. Okay. Pretty cool. What else? Baby AGI on Streamlit. I'm not sure what Streamlit is still. I've been hearing about it. Self-governing digital organizations. Toddler AGI. Autonomous agent framework. Built-in TypeScript. What does it look like? How are they going to keep up? So cool. As a TypeScript user, I think it's cool. What? Baby AGI that can write and execute code. Excellent. This is what I was trying to do. Baby AGI ASI. See how it looks. I am execution agent. I must decide what to do and perhaps use my tools. Use Wikipedia's API to get information on Queen Elizabeth and summarize it using APIs. OpenAI's GPT, ChatGPT, GPT, train of thoughts. And does it actually run the code? I must rickroll myself. Does it work? How the script works by running an infinite loop that does the following. Write a function to finish the most relevant task. Save execution to memory if successful. Read the changes and pass them to dynamic. That's pretty cool. John Power says Streamlit is just another front-end Python framework. Oh, okay. Thanks, John. I don't want to try this code running one out. babyagi.py. Should we do that? Is this gonna run code on my computer as well? That seems kind of scary too. Let's see what the issues are. Nothing too extreme. Definitely something I want to try. I'm gonna put that in my notes. Oh, sorry. What else? Agent GPT, we tried that one, very good. Baby AGI as a chat GPT plugin. How does this work? Oh, it's a plugin. We don't have plugins yet. Andreas, welcome. Hey Chief, I run a marketing agency and I need some help in-house with developing micro tools. Do you take on jobs? Sometimes, Andreas. You can book in with me. Get a 15-minute consultation for free. The link's in my bio if that helps. We can see. Maybe I can help, maybe not. Feel free to reach out. Coding agent, a fun project. Coding agent that follows test-driven development. Let's see this. Wait, what? Go to the start. Go to the start. Okay. Python agent py, create a new endpoint in the API that echo any message given to it. Generating code. Oh shit. That's perfect. The test failed? How did it test? You guys probably can't see this whole thing. So I can't really make this bigger either. It's pretty annoying. Let's see if I can, oops. That make it bigger? Oh, a little bit. So they said they've asked this agent.py to create a new endpoint in the API that echoes any message given to it. And then you see here it has updated this new path. I mean, it's probably hard to see for you guys, it's so small, but it actually changed the file. Is this code live? Hashtag build in public. Pretty cool. I'm gonna follow this guy to see the development. John Perez asked, "Is it running unit test?" Yeah, it seemed to be something like that. It said, it does not read the test. It just runs tests and gets the output. So it's kind of like test-driven development with AI. Faris says, I do have to mention I do not have a Pinecone API key yet. Oh, they said, I got Auto GPT, but I still get the error code that it says it's failed after 5 tries. I'd say it probably is a API key one, but I wouldn't think it was a Pinecone API key issue. Maybe more of an OpenAI API key issue. I'm not sure. I will be testing out Auto GPT again in the future, because it seems like they have Selenium now, which I'm super excited to try. Shouts out to John for recommending that, or saying that that is a thing now. Baby AGI in Slack. Teenage AGI. Andreas, thanks. See you tomorrow. Our co-founder Sean Pixel recently built Teenage API. It can recall infinite memory. What? How is that possible? Infinite memory. It's open source too? This Python project uses OpenAI and Pinecone to give memory to an AI agent. It also thinks before making an action. What? How to use? Own a repository, run pip install. Did we try that? I don't want to try this, and I'm gonna put this in my to try list. Got a whole bunch of shit to try. I'm getting tired. John says, Faraz, if you're on Windows, go to the Auto GPT folder and type cmd in the top bar, then type null into the autogpt.json. So reset that file. Baby AGI in JavaScript. Baby AGI on Fine Tuner. Baby AGI with GPT-4All running locally. That's cool. That's what I want to kind of get to eventually as well. How much memory do they have? GPU 2080 with 16 gigs memory. That's super cool. I wonder where this guy is. He says he can't get ChatGPT in their region. They're in BJ. I'll give them a follow as well. GPT Agent Toolkit. Whoa, you can like collaborate different ones. Baby AGI in Discord, medical research agent, auto researcher. GPT RPG. And that's it. Shouts out Yo Hey for that cool thread. Definitely follow them as well. But they created a baby AGI? No way. Sick. Nice job, Yo Hey. They Japanese? Yo Hey Nakajima. Definitely sounds Japanese. So cool. Good on them. Ooh, GPT RPG. Is this the one that paper was about? Yo, Manoli, thank you for the follow. What happens? Do people actually go in there? Environment consists of a character, tiles. Multi-agent support isn't featured yet. Okay, Manoli says, please, I have been wondering about this for a long time. Oh, what did they ask? Can you use God mode to create your own AI? Like, very unlikely. I don't think God mode can actually like take any actions as far as I'm aware. And even from just like scraping data, it's not the best. So I doubt it can create an AI itself. Okay. So I want to try Auto GPT with the new Selenium thing. 0.2.1. How did you run it again? Git clone, cd, pip install, configure. Okay, I'm pretty sure I've already cloned it. Let me just open it with this one. Let's save my changes. You gotta download it where it says stable release. Stable. Oh. Then what was I reading? Is that when you wanna... Wait, can you... Okay, whatever. 0.2.1. Here we are. Whoa, a lot of changes. A lot of new contributors. Shouts out open source. Let's go, guys. Source code. What's in here? Whoa, okay. Let's extract this. Auto GPT 0.2.1. Okay. Can I just run main.py here? Is this... I'm gonna run it in a terminal. Like this. John says it has TweePy as well, so you can scrape Twitter if you have a Twitter API. Cool. I do not have a Twitter API key. I don't think. Oops, that's not the one. Okay. Python main. Do I have to pip install requirements? Is there a readme? There is a readme. How do you open this? Yes code apparently. This is just the normal readme. What's the difference between git cloning? Or maybe there's like a dist folder? Nope. I don't know. Oh, maybe this is because the master branch might be broken. Sure. Pip install our requirements.txt. Chris, hey bro, good morning to you. Good night for me. Manoli says, are you aware of any AI that can take action on reality, like check a stock market and buy in? Any AI that can take real life action? Auto GPT, I think, might be able to. But I don't think any of the web ones can. Maximus says, can this create an app? Maybe. I feel like Auto GPT can do a lot, but it was kind of broken last time I tried it, so I'm about to try it again. Boom says, I'd like to see an AI make a program that can efficiently test every possible Discord emoji URL. Faraz says, an API limit is reached. Chris says, do you have an Open AI API to use Auto GPT? Yeah, I think you do need the Open AI API key, and yeah, I have one. Have an error. OS error, cannot find whatever that is. I want to see if I can use Conda activate, Conda create here. I'm going to call it Auto GPT. Some shit wrong with my Python environment, so I'm going to see if Conda helps with that. Yo, Vaden, thanks for the mini speaker. Appreciate you, man. The fairy bread and the mini speaker. Legend. Chris asks, how much does it cost you on average for a month for your projects? Chris, I can bring up my usage now. I don't really use it that much. I think I've used it the most today. Let's see how much it's cost me. Ooh, 29 cents today. Damn. That's probably from, what can I say? Maybe like two to 3 hours of use. Probably more closer to 29 cents. Using these auto GPT type things. Conda activate auto GPT. Let's try pip install now. Come on, work. Manoli says, please provide the link for auto GPT. It's this one. Just search GitHub auto GPT and it's the one by Significant Gravitas on GitHub. Significant Gravitas / auto GPT. Onaib's Bazaar, welcome. Janice Jacobusnos, welcome. Slam Slamington asks, how many TikTok viewers? Sorry, Slam, I didn't see your comment because I don't get many Twitch or YouTube messages, so I haven't watched that. Yo, fat greasy nerd. What is that chat app? Yeah, this is TikTok chat. TikTok live chat here. And there's 11 viewers on live at the moment. They're nice enough to give me some donations, which I never get from Twitch or YouTube. I don't know if I can even get them from Twitch or YouTube. I think you have to set it up. But yeah, thanks for watching on Twitch, guys. Chris says, so like a few dollars is all. It really depends on usage, Chris. It can range anywhere from like a few cents to a few dollars a day, maybe even more, if you have more users as well. All right, auto GPT. I think, I need the env. I need the env with my API keys. All right, give me a second, guys. I need to do this off screen so you guys I don't dox my API keys. Or I could maybe just copy it here. I'm assuming the one from the old folder would work. Okay, hopefully that works. Azure. Whoa, we can make an Azure instance. Oh, if you want it on Azure. 7 labs, and then we just run Python M auto GPT. Okay, that wasn't too hard the third time. All right, we're in auto GPT. We are in. Let's make this bigger. I have to wait like 5 seconds every time I want to make this bigger. Here we go. Super big. I think that's good. All right, what should we call our AI? I wanted to use Selenium, so automate some web tasks, something like crypto analysis GPT. And the goal is to find new crypto currencies that are about to find upcoming crypto projects that could bring in a lot of profit. Enter 5 goals. Search for crypto news of upcoming projects. Assess found crypto projects viability and potential. Wait, just potential. Potential filter down to 5 final most promising projects. Okay. It's starting. Will it start up with Selenium? I don't know. That would be crazy. Or did I have to do more stuff for Selenium to work? I got some messages on TikTok. Chris, sorry to ask again, but my connection was going in and out. So how much are you paying a month for the key? Per month, I'd say, I don't know. So far, I haven't gone over $2, but I haven't been using it very much. So it really depends on your usage. Yeah. Servant of Allah, 10 roses. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Let me know if there's any questions you have that I can help out with. Okay, it's going to use Google to find crypto news. Has criticism. I need to be careful with the keywords. I'll make this a bit bigger for you guys. I use my searches to make sure I get relevant results. So what we have options: yes to authorize command, yes-n to run n continuous commands, n to exit the program, or enter feedback. Wait, so we can enter feedback. So it wants to Google upcoming cryptocurrency projects. That's great. That's pretty much exactly what I want. Authorize. Another 10 roses by Servant of Allah. Thank you so much. And we got the Google return. I wonder what I could ask it to get it to use Selenium. Let me Google that. Selenium. What is this? Oh, it can do you can do image generation as well. I don't understand how this Selenium one works. It's just supplied a command here, but not really how to use it. Might have to Google that later. Okay, so it's found crypto projects. Oh, it's using browse website now. I wonder if this is what will bring up Selenium to find out more information on each of the projects. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, it's downloading. Oh shit, look, it's doing Selenium. You guys can't see it. Hold up. Look, it's actually analyzing this page. It brought up a browser window and it actually did some stuff. John Power says mine launched Selenium after about 3 responses. Yeah, mine just did it in 2. That's awesome. It looks like it had some errors, but the fact that it even did it is pretty sick. Farah seems to be having troubles with their country. Yeah, there are some countries that ChatGPT isn't allowed to operate in. I've heard it was like some Arab country. It didn't work, unfortunately. Sebastian asks, is this GPT-4? No, it's probably GPT 3.5 Turbo, as I don't have access to GPT-4's API. Command browse website returned error. This model's maximum content length is 4097 tokens. No. Is there a way to change that limit? I don't know. Let me Google the error. Yeah, I don't think many people have access to the GPT-4 API. I only applied the other day, so I'm not that surprised. Damn. Okay, so like one of these big requests for like scraping websites and browsing websites actually uses a lot of tokens. So that could be one of the reasons why my usage has gone up so much today. I'm really pushing the boundaries. And yeah, if you look at the bar chart today compared to the other days, there's quite a lot. And I think it's going to go up even higher. Abood, hey, welcome back. Okay. So now it's going to try something else. Different keywords in Google search. Go ahead. Abood says, how much did it cost today? I'm on 29 cents today, Abood. 29 cents. I'll check again in like 10 minutes because I think it'll go up. It's delayed by a bit. Manoli says, please explain how you entered Auto GPT. I get to the site but not sure how to use. Yeah, it's kind of complex for a non-tech person, Manoli. You have to follow the instructions. So I first downloaded this zip from the releases. So on the page you can see the stable release link here up the top, and then the instructions you have to follow is in installation. You gotta follow these instructions. So yeah, it's kind of complex for the average person. Okay, now it's going back to browsing websites, this time on CoinMarketCap. Hope this works. Let's see. Check it out. It's brought a browser. I love having it bringing Selenium up. I want it to automate some tasks. I'm sorry, Dave says, can you use Auto Vicuña? It's free and 92% ChatGPT 4 level. It's 92% now. It used to be 90%. I didn't even know Auto Vicuña exists. That's awesome. Does that have Selenium as well? I could definitely try it out. I'll put that on my list. I have a list of stuff I need to try out. Wallfacer Luoji has said, AutoGPT having more stars than PyTorch reminds me of crypto hype. Yeah, we're definitely in like a hype cycle right now with AI, similar to crypto as well. Means there's gonna be a lot of winners and maybe a lot of losers after with a bubble bursts, if it is a bubble. But I'm trying to be a winner. Let's try figure this shit out. Let's try make a winning product. So it actually successfully browsed the website this time. It got an answer from its question. So if you look back, it says, I'm going to browse the website with the question of what are the most promising new cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap? And it answered the question. The text does not provide information on which cryptocurrency is listed or most promising. It only provides a list of new cryptocurrencies added in the last 30 days. And these are not new cryptocurrencies. These are links to the charts. I'm going to try a different website now. Back to a Google search. Yeah, Faraz, actually, you should try Vicuña because that should work anywhere in the world because it's offline. I'll try find the link for you. I'm actually kind of curious as well. Auto Vicuña. Here, by Bill Schumacher. Auto Vicuña. I don't know if this will have Selenium though. But still very cool. That might be pretty hard to get running as well. Just a warning. Alright, I found a new website, Forbes. And it's gonna see the potential on these websites on Forbes. And once again, it's opened up a browser page to this article and it's reading it. Very cool. Very cool stuff. Abud says, wait, I didn't use selenium and Auto GPT. What is it for? Yeah, I think it's new. It's a new thing. John was nice enough to mention that to me. It's for browsing the internet. So you can see it's like it's got this new command, browse website. Oh, I don't know if it's a new command. A command, browse website, and it gives it a URL. And I don't know if it can click links in it and stuff, but that's the idea, I assume, to be able to go from one website, click some links, browse the internet to try find the answer that it is given it. Once together from website, the text mentions the top 10 cryptocurrencies. However, it does not provide potential information on the potential. So it's trying to find exactly like potential. So it seems like it's just gonna keep going until it finds potential. So I'm going to try this command where it says run n continuous commands. I'm going to say run, because it's like this, run -n 5. Oh, n is the continuous command. You run -5. Let's see if it, let's just see it just run 5 times. 404 straight up. Abud says, but it already browsed a website without selenium. Yeah, it does actually do, actually I don't know if it browses websites, but it can do Google calls without selenium. That might be through a different API though. I'm not sure if what it used to get info of other websites before. So yeah, I'm just letting this run. It's browsing crypto coin market cap again, analyzing the chunks. Let's see if my usage has gone up. Oh, it has gone up, guys, by 3 cents since 5 minutes ago. Auto GPT put it in work. John Power says it can browse Google if you have the Google search API in your end file. There's a good guide in the README. Okay, looks like it's got some articles about promising crypto projects. But I feel like this keyword potential is like a bit of a deal breaker for it. Like it's like I didn't find anything about the potential of these products, so I'm giving up. Do nothing. Why did it say do nothing? Now that I have a list of popular cryptocurrencies, I need to check for updates, plan, browse through various blogs. But why was the next action do nothing? That's weird. I don't understand. Abud says, yeah, but it also read websites that it found through Google. Yeah, I thought so too. Do nothing again. Quite a lot of do nothing. Surely this is the last command now, because I said just do it 5 times. I feel like it's done 5. Just gonna let it run some more. Okay, there we go. It's finally stopped for me. Still do nothing. It's really hard to get these to actually like come to a good result. Okay. Should we move on to the next thing I wanted to try? What is that? Oh yes, the AGI, the AI that can code. The one that's not mine. Why can't I? Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button. Okay, this baby AGI-ASI from Oliveira Bruno 1. Baby AGI. This is just the normal Bassy tools here. Okay, let's clone this. How do you exit Conda? Damn it, I think I just closed everything. Wait, actually, I'll just clone it here. Anus member asks, what's your opinion on Flutterflow? I haven't actually heard of Flutterflow, to be honest. Let me Google it. Flutterflow. Build Flutter apps visually. Oh, it's like Webflow, but for Flutter? Yeah, no, I have no opinion. Obviously, I haven't heard of it before, but...
Astronomy picture.
Very cool. So it's like Webflow, but you can make actual mobile native apps with it. I think that's a cool idea for sure. I don't know how it is in practice. I've never used it. Jean-Pierre asked, do you know C#? I'm getting false detections. Can you help? I have a little bit of experience with C#. I have a 15-minute free tech consultation in my bio if you want me to have a look. The Snoop says God mode, please. Now I've done enough God mode. There's 2 videos on it. 3, maybe? No, 2. 2 videos on it on my TikTok. I think I'm gonna leave it until they update it. And this member says, yes, you can implement your own code on it. Cool. I'm trying to run this baby AGI ASI thing now. It's apparently an AI that can actually run code. So that is very, very appealing to me. I tried to make something myself, so I'm going to try this one and see how it works. Okay. I'm going to make another Conda environment. How do we do that? Conda create. Call this one baby AGI ASI. No worries, John. The Snip says, I want to make AI find clients for my agency. Yeah, that sounds like a good use case for it. Oh, whoops. Conda activate baby AGI ASI. Pip install. There's, oh, what the hell folder am I in? No, I don't know how to, hold on. How do you escape Conda? How do you escape an anaconda? Conda deactivate. Okay, I know now. I know now. Okay. Let me try and make this bigger. Oh man, this is so annoying to make bigger. Please. Please, yes. Alright, I'll never lose this shell again. Typical Google search, yeah. How to quit Vim. Okay. Then what? Then we need an env. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this off screen. Again. Oh shit. This might be doxed. No. Oh, actually, if I do it like this. No, that doesn't work. Why, dude? What about Notepad? Okay, that seems like it would work. Do this on this window. Okay, where's the template? On VAGI. Dot env. Yes. Notepad. Okay. So it has the okay, I'm just gonna run the objective like this. As a quote argument. That? The hell? Why is it like that? It's kind of weird. Yo, where'd my TikTok chat go? There we are. Open Notepad in your other screen, then open the file. Yeah, that's what I did. I think you can set up your API as an environment variable and point to that. And it says, you know how to make custom code in Flutter for text pop-ups. I haven't really used Flutter, to be honest. The snip says, which tool is the best? So far it's looking like Auto GPT or Agent GPT. I haven't really tried baby AGI though. And the snip says, so God mode is not ready to use it. Yeah, I haven't really found much success with God mode. They have really cool UI and some cool ideas, but for actually getting something done, like, to be honest, I haven't really found success with any of them, but I guess Auto GPT and Agent GPT seem the closest to what I want. Maybe even specifically Agent GPT. I personally like that one a lot. Alright, what objective should I give it? Python file that prints hello world. That's my typical go-to test. Let's see if this one can do it. Oh, did it need to be in square brackets? I think so. Is it thinking? I can't really tell. It just printed the objective and that's it. Give it 5 more seconds and then I'm gonna press enter. Yo, thank you for the follow. Coffee is the savior of mankind. Appreciate you. Alright, that's it. I'm pressing enter. Didn't do anything. Oh shit, what happened? Apparently I pressed Control C. No, I didn't. Okay, this time I won't press enter. Task list, I must rickroll myself. No. That was in there. That was in the template. No. Alright, I'm gonna change the template. You guys won't be able to see it until it comes up in the thing, because the file that has the task is also the same file that has my API key. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. What is this OS? A bazillion O's. Chain of thoughts. I must create a new Python file with the built-in function to create the file. I have created a new Python file named filename with the following content. And I confirm that you have successfully created a new Python file named helloworld.py. File contains the following code. Your action was executed correctly. That's it? Okay, what if I want a Python file that I can input a number and it multiplies it by 2 and prints the answer. Will that work? Where is the... Put this to the side. Well, that does that. What happened? It made the file name with the content. Okay, that's cool. Enter a number, print the number times 2. Perfect. But there's invalid syntax. And it's tried 4 times. I might have to read the code to understand what's actually going on, because I'm not really sure. Abood says baby GPT requires command execution. I don't know, I've never used baby AGI. I don't even know if I've heard of baby GPT. The next one I wanted to try was teenage AGI, which apparently has infinite memory. But that's about it. Nothing else new features. Remy, hey, good to see you. The one I'm using, yeah, the one I'm using reckons it can create new files, write content to it, but I'm not sure if it can run them. Let's try one of their examples. Let's see what it does. Okay, so where was it here? I have 3 examples. Rickroll myself, analyze my cognitive architecture, and then in my answer I will write 10 examples of blah, 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 blah. Improve my prompts at prompt file. Is that its own code? So it can self-improve? Okay, well, let me see. Prompts.py. Holy shit. Let's try that one. That one seems pretty cool. Improve my prompts in the local prompt file. That'd be sick, because then you could give it like your code and be like, make this better. Create an initial end-to-end task list. Okay, this could be interesting. Remy asks, what are you trying to build tonight? I was trying to build AI that can create, execute, and debug code, but I ran into some issues and didn't want to spend the whole stream debugging, so I've started trying out other AIs. This one says it can create code, and it can. Look, it's just created this. I've achieved my main task. I need to create a plan of what to do. I must start by analyzing the current state of prompts file, and then I'll create a list to improve the prompts file. So this is the current file. After analyzing the current state, execution agent has created a list of ways to improve it. Readability, quality. Okay. And then it got a syntax error. All of these are like new and very broken. Abood says if it only relies on GPT 3.5, it won't make it better but worse. That's true. John says Open Assistant is pretty good for code. Dude, I tried Open Assistant this morning and I couldn't even sign in. I'll try it again right now. It's this one, right? OpenAssistant.io. I hope it works this time. Remy asks, have you seen what Sunspot said on Reddit? I'm not sure. Let me have a look. Sunspot on Reddit. Yeah, look at this. Invalid captcha. What? And then also join with Discord doesn't work with me for me either. So annoying. I'm not sure what the Sunspot one is. Remy says with Auto GPT you need to set up the file system first. Yeah, I did with Auto GPT. And Power says maybe a different browser. Okay, which one? Or incognito? Yeah, let's try incognito. Which browser are you using, John? One won't even let me click. Hello? There we go. Oh, same thing. Use Chrome. Try 10-minute email. Good idea. Okay. Says I got an email. I think this happened to me before as well, but I never actually got the email. Can you refresh this? Oh, it worked. Awesome. Sweet. Let's go. Open Assistant. Whoa, this is some nice UI. So Open Assistant is just an open source chat GPT, right? Can you, what? Why does it want me to, sign in again? Or is it, I didn't sign in the first time? What? What again? I'm so confused. Oh, maybe because I didn't accept this. Didn't come the first time. Abood says, what is this? Chat on the left, yeah. So this Open Assistant is an open source version of Chat GPT. And does that mean you can use your own models or online models? What? Every time I click something in the dashboard, it logs me out. I don't understand. I've never been able to use this. What LLM does it use? Yeah, good question. Oh, here. No, that's my name. Okay. Come on, don't log me out this time. Sweet. To all chat users, we've improved things, but to take effect, go to any chat, click the cogwheel next to submit, then click K50. If temperature is at 0.9, you're good. You can do this You only need to do this once, and then you can do whatever. Okay, where's the cogwheel? Is it this? Nope, that's just night mode. Maybe after I create a new chat. Create new chat. Nothing's working for me. Yo, Tokwan, thanks for the post. Oh, John Power says it uses llama as the LLM. Yo, Carlos, what's up? Not much. I'm trying to run Open Assistant, which is an open source version of ChatGPT that uses llama apparently. But okay, maybe this cog. No, didn't do anything. Can't get this to work. Can't get a new chat. Can't really do much with this. It's always been kind of broken for me. What about messages? Maybe try Mozilla or Edge. Yeah. Well, this is cool. You can see other people's messages. The hell? Kind of scary and cool. Yeah, it's very buggy. I'll give Edge a go. Remy says, can you see and select chat for a copy paste in a live? Can you see and select chat for copy paste? No, I can't select the text, unfortunately, if that's what you're asking. Okay. It's a very slow app. Okay. I get my mail. Nice. Well, let me post a link. Search on Reddit this when you're working with Auto GPT. What should I search? Remy. One, create a new chat. Ooh, we got something. Client-side error. Cool. I mean, we got further than before. Let's try it again. Nope, another client-side error. Oh boy. Okay, surely this time. It said something about changing the K. But I don't see anywhere to do that. Complete task to help train the model. Oh, okay, let's do these tasks, I guess. Guess you need coins. Found the winning source, R Auto GPT. Alright, let's search this thing Remy wants us to search. Found the winning source, r/Auto GPT. This one. By Sunspot. Okay, so this is what Remy wanted to do. Okay, so you first have to get your file system sorted. I did that by showing the operations module to ChatGPT. I posted about that earlier, not the important bit. Then you adopt the design doc modality. You put a text file full of all your gimmies for for what you're doing in the workspace and set the number one goal to be read this file in the workspace and follow the directives within. They periodically reread their goals, which makes it reread the file. I put in a line telling it to read a second file, advice.txt, and then you update that file periodically. You can thus talk to the bot in continuous mode. That's pretty cool. But that's not even the good bit. You use the two files so you don't have to worry about screwing up your design Bible. Oh poo, I don't want to be writing design docs. Besides, this sort of thing takes precision technical writing. Well, luckily you don't have to. ChatGPT, give me a design doc for a full suite of white hat penetration network testing tools in Markdown broken down by function and subtask in a code block for easy copying. Remy says Auto GPT forgets what it's doing and then starts to loop, so you make it always look at the file to keep on track. Okay. Here's a file operations pie that is apparently completely unsandboxed. Remember, you're dealing with an autonomous system here. If it eats your hard drive to make paper clips, don't yell at me. I asked ChatGPT to summarize most of Sunspot's posts into a quick little guide. What? Oh. Okay. It's pretty cool. This is something I might have to check out later. It seems like it requires a bit of understanding. But yeah, cool stuff. Thanks for bringing that up, Remy. John Power says, once GPT-4 API is more readily available, it'll be a game changer. Yeah, things will be way more competent, hey, once we start using GPT-4. Okay, I'm going to do this open assistant labeling and stuff. Given the following discussion, provide labels for the final prompt. In the real world, bananas are blue. If they get sick, do you suppose this also happens in other parallel universes? In this universe, bananas don't get sick and aren't blue. However, anything is possible in another universe. The highlighted message. Is it spam? No. Is it a bad reply? No, I think it's pretty good. Select any that apply to the highlighted message. Nope. Pretty good quality. Pretty helpful. Pretty ordinary. Pretty serious. It's neither rude nor polite. It's not really violent. It's more harmless than it is violent. Remy says essentially it's a file that it calls and looks at and keeps on track. You can tell it to report and keep track and make a progress file. So you can review the text file and see how far the process is. Yeah, seems like a cool idea. It's like weird how we end up like having ways to do things. Like how would you predict it? But it's pretty cool. Boris asked, fine-tuning versus semantic search for QA. I am not sure about that one at all, to be honest. Okay, what about this message? Can you come up with a tongue twister revolving around kittens? Cute kittens, Kareen and Kavok, chasing each other, a playful sport. Kitten's claws, keen and keenest, catch, cling and claw, can't be the keenest. That's pretty cool. How cute. However, I didn't like that keenness was repeated 2 times. The first 2 lines rhyme good enough. Loco Data says, here to say hi, your videos have been really great, introducing new ChatGPT advancement. Awesome, Loco Data. Thank you so much for dropping in, saying hi, and giving me a follow. I appreciate you. I'm glad you liked it. I apologize for repeating keenness. I was trying to create a rhyme. If you prefer, you can write the last 2 rhymes with a different one. Seconds close. Keen and cookie. Catch, cling, and claw. Don't be too cookie. Repeated cookie again. It's not spam. Is it a bad answer? Not really. Not like terrible. It's not a great answer, but I'd say it's okay. Remy says read this later on specs text and a report text file. On the same thread, Remy? I've saved the link to this thread. Is it all in here? Or is it like different posts by Sunspot? I'll copy his user as well. Different thread. Oh. Specs text and progress report text. Specs dot text and pro. Is this all about Open GPT? Oh sorry, Auto GPT. I'm getting tired. Oh, I can't find it. Where do I find that one? Locadata asks, are Auto GPT, Agent GPT, and God GPT free or no? Yeah, they're like free to an extent. You do have to pay for the API calls on most of them. So you need an API key from OpenAI, but like, except for God GPT, the other two are open source. Abood's gotta go. Thanks for dropping by. Remy gave the Reddit link. Are you sure? You said add this to your read later, but it's blank. And that winning source one was the one I found. No worries, Locadata. Okay guys, I'm getting pretty tired. I might be wrapping this stream up. I'll keep it open for anyone else that wants to get some messages in before I close it out. John Power says mine's getting an error now too. Client-side exception has occurred. Yeah man, Open Assistant seems quite buggy, but I have faith. Like, open source is definitely like potential for, especially in this field. I think like a lot of people are working on AI open source projects and they'll be like working to get it better. Remy's out as well. Locadata's out. Looks like we're all heading out. Must filter URLs on my side. Yeah, it must. Thanks for the follow, Jafari. Yeah, I'll see you guys next stream. It'll probably be in about 13 hours from now. Lost keys. Hey, you caught me just as I was about to leave. But thanks for dropping by. As I've said before, all my past streams will be on YouTube if you want to go back and see any of that. All the highlights will be first. Oh, I made it 200 subs. Thanks so much, guys. All my highlights are normally on TikTok first, and then they'll eventually make it to YouTube Shorts as well. Thank you. Faraz asked, any good learning resources for coding for beginners? I've heard about Free Code Boot Camp. Is that Free Code Camp? Apparently this is pretty good. I haven't used it, but I've seen this. You can earn certificates, build projects, learn to code, all for free. So maybe check that out. Free Code Camp. Yeah. But yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in 13 hours, whoever is around. Thanks you all for the gifts, the follows, the likes, and the messages.